Wait, don't these guys now have a Discord server? Like, I made a dedicated video announcing it recently. Oh wait. "11 months.
Oh my god!
How many views? 120. So for those of you who don't know, we have a McVincient community Discord server. Here we talk, share projects, help each other, and play games. Other than that, every member gets updates of each and every change done to the channel or the Discord server. The server currently has 102 members after I kicked some inactive ones, and already has everything you will need like bots, advertising sections, meme channels, topic based text channels, and a lot more. And when we reach 200 members, I will add even more awesome stuff to this server like level roles, and also we will have some exclusive Discord live streams which will happen in voice channels. So join now with the link in the description, and also keep in mind that you need to be 13 or above to join the Discord server. So thank you guys for watching it. I'll see you in the next video.